At least for Dries, it's very clear that being a fashion designer, he can be creative, but if he doesn't sell his collections, he has to close his house.
What happened with your absolute favorite fabric pencil?
I know. They're my favourite trousers. Well, we could try these one with the... Yeah. We'll try these two. Should we try these two?
Ja. Obviously weer uit. Het flesje erboven. Het is alweer weg.
Not cheap.
It's a bit too cute.
So
Too cute.
Too cute?
This jacket's going to change. Let's try
The purple.
Yeah, but keep the socks and the shoes on, maybe.
It's not good.
It does get very sort of 50s country, doesn't it? And it just
50s country.
I can
That's
never
everything what
get,
you don't want.
I can't really get it out of my head.
It's a flamboyant woman. I think the word flamboyant, I think, is quite good.
Yes.
Because she's more happy than eccentric. Eccentric can be also quite sad. An eccentric lady also has 25 cats and lives in a dark house.
Can be a bit gross.
No? Eccentric can go that way. Where flamboyant, for me, it's more Peggy Guggenheim and all that crazy, enjoying life, drinking cocktails.
She's flambé. She's on fire.
Ja. Moeten we een onderrok ondersteken? Nee, onder de jas, dat hem iets breder staat? Nee. Ja. Dat is zo te veel een ding. I like the idea here of a woman who's bigger than life, who makes like even bigger and stronger color combinations. Where jeans are too big, shoes and platforms are too high. You have coats which are too big, embroideries which are really brash and shiny. Tulle, it's not like 1 meter of tulle, but it's 30 meters of tulle in one skirt. So that's really like, for me, a flamboyant woman. The gloves and the t-shirts which are then more looking like tattoos. Sometimes weirdly coordinated, sometimes you have like the bag and the glove in the same print, so that you don't know where the bag stops and the glove begins, all these things. So just to make it weird and interesting.